What's up, you guys? My name is Kareeti. I know you guys haven't seen me in a while. I haven't been streaming because I've been doing work and I've been doing things for the family and I've been just all over the place. And I'm outside today because I have this really cool thing that I talked about in one of my streams, and it finally arrived yesterday, and I had work, so I couldn't do it until today. So there it is. Bam. Magic. I know you guys didn't think there was anything there, and then I was just like, boom. But anyway, it's my love for food. Well, love with food. I do have a love for food, but this is love with food, and it is a, first of all, this is non-sponsored. This isn't sponsored. I signed up for this. I paid for this. It's a subscription box. You guys have heard of Loot Crate. You've heard of a bunch of different ones. There's Graze. But basically, this is healthy snacking in a really nice little sized package. And we're going to see what's inside of it today. It's a bunch of random little snacks. I think you get 7 to 10, which is really cool. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. It's going to be good. You guys haven't seen me in a while. I haven't seen you guys in a while, so I thought I would get this sorted while I have a chance to, since, well, I've worked like all week. So that's why I haven't been streaming, if you guys are wondering. So let's just get rid of that. Environmental, look at this. I love the packaging. It's really cool. The postmate or the postman or whatever the hell, he put this in our mailbox, and he was supposed to put it in like the big one. You know, you get the key, you put it in, and then you put it in the big one, and then you get it out. You know what I mean? He put it in the little one, and yeah, I had to like squish the shit out of it to like rip it out. So yeah, there was that. So that's why the paint's kind of jacked up. But anywho, it's a pretty nice little box. I'll give you guys, you know, a nice little close-up of it later and show you guys exactly what it looks like and all that good jazz. I'll try not to ruin it. But we're going to see what's inside for the food today. And, yeah, let's see. I wonder if I can do it like story time, like, boom, you know what I mean? It's like Blue's Clues. I just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. It's from Love with Food. So, how do you open the box? Where do you open the box? The box. I think you open it this way. I think, maybe. Do I know how to open a box? No, put it in the comments. I don't think this is the correct way to open the box. I feel like it opens this way, but I also don't think it does. No. What? Oh, this way. I'm a stoop. So anyway, bam. You open. Ooh, I got a little peek inside. So here we go. So, Love with Food tasting. If you guys want to check this out, you can go to, you know, it says right there, you can go to lovewithfood.com. You can check this out. There's going to be a code in the description, guys, if you do want to check it out. There's a link to the site and a coupon code. If you buy your first box with my code, you get 10% off, and that's pretty awesome, I think. So if you want to check it out, if you want to eat a little bit healthier instead of eating Doritos, and, you know, I mean, they're amazing. I know, I eat them sometimes. Oh my god. Oh my god. So here we go. This is a monthly subscription. Let's just get into it. You guys have seen it first. Oh, what the heck? What just fell out? What is this? It's a little suspicious packet. Ooh. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'll give you guys close-ups of everything. You know, it's gonna be good. So we got a Nutrivia or Nutriva. Very strange word. Vitality. It's too early in the morning for me to speak. So why am I doing this? It's basically coconut oil, which is really cool. We can use this in, you know, cooking. That's pretty cool. Bam. So what is this? This is the first thing that popped out at me, which looks really cool. So this is the Reach tasting box. I don't know if there's like a different card you get each month, because this is my first time doing it. But that's really cool. So this is like a back to school kind of thing. So if you guys want to go back to school and start eating healthy, you know, instead of eating pizza and everything like that, because you're probably going to get that at school. So if you come home and you have a healthy snack, balance your diet, you'll be good to go. And you get them gains like your boy, you know what I mean? So anyway, that's it right there. Reach. Throw your hands up in the air and reach for the stars, snackers. Some of you may be starting a new school year or a new job, like your boy. But whatever journey you're on, we've put together the best snacks to enjoy while you reach for your goals. So that's awesome. Also, when you sign up to Love with Food, you can, there's 2 surveys you can fill out right away, and you get up to 1,000 points, which is super quick. You can exchange points for even more snacks, or even a full box if you get enough points. I think it's 3,000 points for a full box, so that's pretty sick. So, let's jump back into the box and let's see what we get. Oh, we got another thing. Oh, we got another thing. Oh, it says free on it. Whoa. I like free stuff. I know you guys do too. Bubbies. Bubby's Hawaii. Try me free. See reverse side for detail. No way, bros. I get free stuff maybe? Free 1 Bubby's Mocha ice cream pack. Valid on any flavor up to $10 retail value. No way, dude. That's awesome. So they give you little codes and coupons. You get free stuff. That's awesome. That is really, really cool. So what does it say? Thank you. You are awesome. This box helped in the fight against world hunger. Another really awesome thing about Love with Food is every time you buy a box or you buy anything on the site, they will donate a meal to a food bank, which is really cool. So it's like you're helping out the world, you know what I mean? Oh my God, I got a sucker. I got a sucker. How is this healthy? How is this healthy? It's Tree Hugger, that's the brand, and it's a pineapple flavor. That's pretty neat. I've never heard of a sucker that's actually, or a lollipop. What do you guys call it? Wherever you're from. Lollipops are suckers. But that's interesting. So that's very interesting. Sorry that, you know, they're down here. I only got one camera angle, okay? Okay, calm down. I'll show you guys the food as we're going. So, next up, I will test some of these, but I don't want to try all of them because I need to save them for the whole month, so I will try some of these for you guys. I'll probably try some of the bigger ones and keep small ones like this for actually going to the gym. We're going to the gym on Monday. And then today, by the time I'm recording this, it is Friday. So I'll probably upload it tomorrow for you guys on Saturday. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, by the way. So here we go. We got a Garden of Life gall bar. 12 grams of protein. It's pretty good. 10 cashews, 2 dates, chocolate, and sea salt. It's a chocolate sea salt protein bar, basically. And it looks pretty dang good. Let's check out the nutritional facts on the back, because I'm curious about this kind of stuff. So there's 8 grams of fat. That's pretty cool. 220 calories. So it's a bit much for a protein bar, but I mean, if you're gonna be, you know, getting them gains and shit, you need your you know, macros and micros and all that good shit. No GMOs, no junk, no kidding. So these are, it's perfect, man. It tells you right on the back, no gluten. All this is gluten. Well, not all of it's gluten-free, but you can get a gluten-free box if you are gluten-free. So that's cool. So we got the coconut oil. What is this little pack? Oh my God, we got nut butter. We got the nut butter. So we got 9 grams of protein in here, 1 egg white, 18 almonds, half a date, no BS. I love how no BS is one of the ingredients. That's awesome. It's vanilla almond butter. That's awesome. I've never used almond butter before, so I'm definitely going to try this and see if that tastes pretty cool. Try that on like a piece of toast or something. Oh, I'm excited to try something in here that looks really good. We have beech nut fruity oat bars. That's pretty cool. It's strawberry flavor. Not too shabby dabby. I love how all of these are very small and compact as well. It's not like a giant bag where you're going to be tempted to eat the whole thing in one go, which is like me. If I get a bag of Doritos, I'm going to eat the whole dang bag in one go, which is just terrible. So here we go. Now we got some of the bigger items down at the bottom. We have Sahale snacks, I think is what it's called. Pomegranate flavored pistachios. That's pretty neat. I think it's pretty cool. So there's 10 grams of sugar. That's not too bad compared to some of these things. 7 grams of protein though, and it looks like there is 15 grams of fat. So you get your healthy fats. There's only 1.5 grams of trans fat, which is the bad kind of fats. But hey, no artificial flavors, gluten-free, no preservatives. This is pretty good. This is going to be a really healthy snack that I can take for me to work with me. So that's going to be awesome. Moving on, we got a thing that kind of looks like a Dorito, but it's not. What is this? Bam! It's called Popcorners. That's an adorable name. Do one better. The crunchy and wholesome popcorn snack. So it's popcorn in Dorito form. It's pretty cool. 60 calories per bag. That's pretty awesome. There's only 4 ingredients. So these kind of look like rice. These kind of look like rice crisps that I have in my pantry, actually. So these are sweet and salty kettle corn. That's pretty awesome. 60 calories, 2 grams of fat. Only 55 milligrams of sodium. That's really good because you got to keep your sodium intake down if you're trying to, you know, build some mass. And just, you know, salt's bad for you anyway, man. Like, it's good for you, but like in good amounts. You know what I mean? So this is really good. 1 gram of protein. Looks like our last main big thing. Here we go. We got a purple bag. I'm actually a fan of purple. Purple used to be my favorite color. Now it's like a peachy orangey color. What's your favorite color? Let me know in the comments. So we got Oogies, Oogie snacks, gourmet popcorn, original kettle corn, 40 calories a cup. That's crazy. So this is about a cup, right? So this is about 3.5 cups. Wow, 3.5 cups in this little bag. Damn. Okay. So we got 140 calories per serving, 40 per cup, so that's pretty good. 5 grams of fat, 7 grams of sugar, and we have 2 grams of protein. That's not bad. That's a pretty dang healthy looking snack. I like it. Now we got a couple things in the bottom here, just little cards. I'm actually curious about what these are. So we have one for the Sahel, which is basically, I'll give you a little insight. It started with a childhood visit to colorful Morocco. Ooh. So that's really cool. So that's kind of, it just shows you like a little background of like how the company started and everything like that. They're kosher, dried roasted nuts, no artificial preservatives, colors, flavors, nothing like that. And they also have some different flavors. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll show you guys up close in a minute. But yeah, we have Sahel, we have the pomegranate vanilla flavored, we have maple pecans, and the cashew macadamia tangerine vanilla. That's pretty awesome. So it looks like they have 3 other flavors, including the pomegranate. So that's awesome right there. And then the last one is the nut butter. Bam, the nut butter. Need open squeeze, enjoy straight from the pack, or on your favorite snack. I love that. That's really cool. I like the graphics for a lot of these as well. You can get them at Target. If you guys have a Target in your area, you can actually get these at Kroger. I don't know any of these stores really. I've heard of Ralph's. I've heard of Whole Foods and Target. That's it. I don't know any of these other ones, but that's cool. That is really cool. So there is our snackage for the month, my friends. We got an empty box now. Tried something you love, buy more at lovewithfood.com/shop and snack on. So guys, if you do really want to try this box, then go check it out. There's a link in the description with a coupon code. Go check it out. You get 10% off your first box. It's $10 a month for your little box like this if you want to get a little box, but for the 10% off only is available for the secondary box, which is double this size. You get, I think, 16 to 20 snacks in a box, and it's insane. So if you have, a family, or you have a family of snackers, or you and your partner, or you and your best friend, or you're sharing a roommate, or you're in college or whatever, this is going to be great for you guys. Grab it on the go, run out the door. You don't have to worry about having to stop at Taco Bell or McDonald's or all this crap, or grab some like quick Doritos out of the bag or whatever. Just grab something healthy and go. It's all super small, it's affordable, it's packaged, it's small, so you can take it with you in your lunch bag or whatever to work. So it's great for anybody. So I'm gonna try a couple of these now, and then we'll head on out of here. So I'm gonna save the popcorn. I think I kind of want to try. What should I try, guys? I'm gonna save the protein bar for workouts. I'm probably gonna try the I'll try the popcorners. So I'm curious to see, like, how, popcorn's gonna, is it gonna taste like actual popcorn? I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Dude, that smells straight like movie popcorn. I'm not even kidding. That's amazing. Oh my god. Okay. So here's what it looks like. This cool little crisp. They kind of look like Rice Crisps. I'm curious, is rice one of the ingredients? Let me see. Yellow corn, sunflower oil, cane sugar, and sea salt. That's it? Interesting. So anyway, it looks like popcorn. It smells like movie popcorn, which is amazing. And let's see if it tastes like movie popcorn. We'll see. Whoa! Yo! I need a big bag of this. Like, I would down this. Oh my god. Guys, this is actually really, I'm gonna eat this whole bag because it's really tiny. There's like, I'd say like 10 chips max in here. But oh my goodness, this is literally really good. It tastes better than movie popcorn. Like, it's got a hint of butter, right? But there's no it's not actual butter, you know what I mean? You do one better than butter. But I don't know, it's just, you get a hint of that sea salt, but it's like a caramely flavor as well. Is it caramel? Sweet and salty. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, well damn. Love for food, it gets a thumbs up from your boy. We're also gonna try Oogies and see what we can do there. It's another gourmet popcorn. So let's give it the old college try. Okay, this actually looks like popcorn, as you guys can see. Looks like popcorn. So let's see if it tastes like popcorn. And also, kettle corn is supposed to be, look at this, vegan. It's vegan, yo. Your boy could turn vegan any second. Cholesterol-free, trans fat-free, gluten-free, 100% whole grain, good source of fiber, and genetically modified. So that's really awesome. Let's see if it tastes good. It looks like normal popcorn. With a great taste. Like, it actually tastes really, really good. Wow. Okay. Well, that's awesome, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try some more of these in my time, you know, over the next couple weeks. To be honest, all of this will be gone within like maybe 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I probably should have got the bigger box, but I subscribed to this box just to try it because I didn't know about the website or anything like that. But it's 100% amazing, and definitely go check it out. You get 10% off the bigger box. I think it's $16 to $20 a month for the bigger box. But if you get 10% off, I believe it is only $12.99 or $13 for your first box, which is crazy when you're getting 20 plus snacks. Like, think about that. That's less than $1 per snack. That's a pretty dang good deal. So go check it out down below in the description, guys. I definitely highly recommend these guys. And just think about it. You're donating a meal to a food bank every time you get a box, which is awesome. So you're helping out a charity while you're eating healthy and bettering yourself as well. So that's awesome, guys. I'm going to head on out of here for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like on this video. Share it around, guys. I want to try to eat healthier because I want to try to get more gains. I want to try to, like, lean out. You guys know I've been on that fitness journey. If you follow my Instagram, I got a lot of clips on there of me lifting and me, you know, showing all the kinds of foods that I'm getting and all the foods that I'm making and creating and all that good stuff. So it's going to be awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will be back with streams very, very soon and all that good stuff. This is not sponsored by any way. I paid for this, but I just wanted to tell you guys about it because if I can get 10% off, that would be amazing. Or not me, but if you guys can get 10% off, that would be amazing. And I want to help you guys, you know, eat healthier. Because I eat healthy for the most part, unless I'm at work and I eat a bunch of pizza. Shut up. But I'm trying really hard. It's really difficult sometimes. But I'm going to be going to the gym on Monday again, work them arms, and yeah, my chest is still sore from last week when I went on Wednesday. Yeah, Thursday, 2 days later, my chest is still like, ugh, you know? But I'm going to head out, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Streams are going to be coming soon, and I will see you guys very, very soon. I'm sorry. Keep with me on this break that I'm having from, you know, everyday uploads because I'm just really busy with work, and I have to come home, and I have to mow grass today as well at some point if the sun ever decides to come out because the grass is wet. You guys know, real life struggle. I know. But go check out Love with Food, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.